Okay, Ranjan from Lucknow. Since now mask is compulsory when you go out, so I will tell you today how to make mask at home from simple piece of cotton without a stitching. So look at this. Very simple step. First you fold like this. First fold and then you make the second fold. So you have three layer now. And from one side you can use the rubber band, hair band or anything like a simple one thread you can stitch here just and then you can make it like you can do it comfortably. It's very easy step. Just put it from other side also, another string, and here it goes, and now you fold it again. You can make it as your comfort, then you lock it by putting this inside another one, right? So it now you have a mask at home, so you can now wear it like this. Thank you.